There's a Heights cop behind me. Been following me for fuck I don't know how long. So let's flip him off while he's behind me. Fucking prick ass bitch. So I just flipped him off, coming up to the next stop sign. Oh, all right, he's pulling me over. Oh, I fucking love it. I flipped him off and he pulled me over.
Hey.
You straight fell for that, didn't you?
For what?
For me flipping you off.
Oh, I didn't even see you flipping me off. I ran the Lexus plate. It comes back to Aaron, who's got a photo ID only. So that's your wife. Yeah, I didn't even see you.
I don't answer questions. Come on now, man.
I mean, you're not Aaron, so I mean that's all.
Well, obviously.
Yeah, well, I couldn't tell him that it's all dark.
Come on, man. That was such a Fourth Amendment violation stop. It was pathetic.
How?
Because you knew it was me driving, dude.
I just told you I
And
couldn't see if
you
it was a
know
man or a
this
woman
is my
driving.
car. You know she don't drive this car.
Last I knew, you had a silver Ford Taurus.
Oh,
Yes,
uh-huh.
You are free to go, my man.
Uh-huh. What was that name and badge number?
Potts 976.
Potts 976. Yeah, it's going to be a good night tonight, isn't it?
So,
Oh, you'll see.
I don't know what that means, but all right, have a good one.
Yep. Wow, already. I just started.